Hello traders, my name is John Paul, founder of Day Trade to Win. Today I want to discuss trading the news. There seems to be a lot of different ways that you could trade the news, bracket trades, you can look at the direction that goes and try to trade with it, but I have a completely different take on how to trade the news. I don't think the right way to go is following the cows, following the herd as it goes up or as it goes down. I believe there's a smarter way to trade the news. So what I want to show you today in this video is how to trade the news properly. So what I want to show you first is an exact way to first understand when news events are going to come out. And there's a few ways you can get this information. I particularly use the Bloomberg economic calendar. And so what I have here, I'm going to show it to you right here, is the Bloomberg economic calendar, just like that. And today is December 13th that we're looking at. And on December 13th, I look right over here and I can see that there is retail sales at 8:30 labeled by a red star. And so I use the economic calendar and I look at only the red stars. And this is free. This economic calendar is located on the Bloomberg website. And there's a lot of different places you can get the same economic calendar. But I use the Bloomberg. And so I'm looking at a red star, a red flag, because these items right here are market movers. These are the things that move the market. And so I know that there's a news event occurring ahead of time, and I should be prepared for it. And so what do I know about trading the news? Well, I know that a news event comes out, and particularly right before a news event, the market gets very slow. So I can expect the market to slow down, or to tighten, or to whipsaw, or to channel. It can absolutely look at a smaller, tighter range occurring before the news as traders wait for this special number to come out. I then wait for the news event to come out and I do nothing. And so as you see it here, this large red candle right here was the result of whatever economic news event occurred. Whether it was good news or positive news, it doesn't matter. And so this red candle is the result of whatever the report stated. Now, typically, let me just go back here and show you as if we do not know the future. Typically, when a news event comes out and it's a red bar, a lot of traders say, well, this market's going to go down, I'm jumping in short. But really, there's no known fact that a negative news report will result into a downward market, or a guaranteed result that a positive news event is going to result into the market going up. And so I really can't base what I'm trading on that alone. And so since I concentrate on trading price and price action, I'm not using any indicators whatsoever. And that's the beauty about the way we trade here at Day Trade to Win. There are absolutely no indicators used except for the Atlas line, which is proprietary software when trading. So this particular method is only using price to dictate what we do moving forward. So now I relate to this candle as a chaotic candle based on a news event occurring, and I look at it as it being red or green. So is this candle red or is it green? Very simply, it's a red candle. And therefore, I'm not going short, I'm going long. I want to do the absolute opposite of this candle reaction to the news. But I'm going to be smart about it. I'm going to do it with specifics, with objective rules, and moving into the future, I want to have proof. I'm going to let price prove that to me, that we are going long. So as the market starts moving into the future, you can see that traders that were short the market based on that news event are now having a little bit of a problem. They have to cover their shorts or get out of the stop or even reverse because the market is not moving in their favor. Hence, what occurs next is that the market explodes to the upside. And the reason why you see this large green bar right here is a result of The traders who got in short initially based on the news event being wrong and having their stops hit or hitting that reverse button on your dome or on your trading platform, on your matrix, and initiating a huge move in the opposite direction. I'm entering long this market when 2 consecutive bars close on the opposite side of the highest high of this red bar. Now, if this was a reverse, if that candle was green, that in that initial move of the market, reaction to the news was green, I'd look to be doing the absolute opposite. I'm looking to go short when 2 consecutive bars close below the lowest low of that green bar. So in this case, this happened to be a bullish move to the upside, and it occurred because of that news event effect. So now as I go into the future, you can see that the market, let me just resize the chart here, you can see that the market exploded to the upside. I think this is a very direct way to trade the news. It takes all the guessing out. It's objective, it's clean. I know why I'm entering, and I have proof. If you have any questions, please contact me at support@daytradetowin.com. My name is John Paul. Have a great rest of the year. Bye-bye now.